What's up guys? Are you looking for the best 4K DisplayPort cable? In this video, Top New Tech brings 5 best 4K DisplayPort cables in 2020. Through extensive research we have put together all the products in a list. We also mention all product links in the description box. Let's move towards the list. On the 5th number is Xoxox 4K DisplayPort cable. This DisplayPort 1.2 cable is good for video streaming or gaming. 2K at 165Hz refresh rate reduces flicker to give you a really comfortable gaming experience, and it also supports DP. It designed with tin copper and triple layer shielding. The DP cable is enough to transfer high quality and stable video and audio signals. No worry about visual and audio glitches, artifacts, and audio-video synchronization problems. The aluminum shell, nylon braided cover and gold-plated connectors all ensure the superior durability under the heavy usage and multiple plugging and unplugging. Snug and secure connection, plug and play, hassle-free. This 10 feet DP to DP cable supports 3D, 4K Ultra HD at 60 Hz, 1080p Full HD and flawless audio pass-through for uncompressed digital audio channels at 7.1, 5.1 and 2. Directly connect the DisplayPort equipped desktop, laptop to an HD TV, monitor, display, gaming graphics card with a DisplayPort for crystal clear audio and high-definition video. This DisplayPort Cable 1.2 is backward compatible with other versions. The perfect length 15 feet of this nylon braided could enlarge the scenes in your daily life. This 4K DisplayPort cable is available on Amazon. On the next is Silkland 4K DisplayPort cable. Silkland 4K DisplayPort cable uses the highest quality materials. It can resist corrosion and withstands 5,000 plus times 90 degrees flexions and 10,000 plus times connections and disconnections. Silkland DisplayPort supports mirror mode, extended mode, gaming mode and multi-screen splicing mode. Gives you a better audio-visual entertainment experience. The Silkland DisplayPort cable supports 3D, Ultra HD 4K at 60 Hz, 2K at 165 Hz, 1080p Full HD and flawless audio pass-through for uncompressed digital audio channels at 7.1, 5.1 and 2. Snug and secure connection, plug and play, hassle-free. Stay and work at home with ease. Simply configure your 4K monitor for an extended desktop or mirrored displays. Quality nylon braided jacket with 15,000 plus band lifespan provides you with a heavy-duty DisplayPort to DisplayPort cable. 24K gold-plated connectors won't tarnish or decrease conductivity over time. 28 AWG tin copper wire ensures uninterrupted transmission. Premium aluminum shell effectively maximizes heat dissipation. This 4K DisplayPort cable is available on Amazon. On the next is Benfi 4K DisplayPort cable. This cable transfers signal from DisplayPort source to DisplayPort monitor. It's a bidirectional cable. It enables you to connect a monitor with DisplayPort input to video source with DisplayPort output. It transmits HD audio and video from your computer to a monitor for video streaming or gaming. Connect and configure your monitor for an extended desktop or mirrored displays. It supports video resolutions up to 4K Ultra HD and 1080p Full HD, and flawless audio pass-through for uncompressed digital 7.1, 5.1 or 2 channels. The gold-plated connectors, bare copper conductors and foil and braid shielding combine together to provide both superior cable performance and reliable connectivity. The DisplayPort connector with latches provides a secure connection with a release button that must be depressed before unplugging. This 4K DisplayPort cable is available on Amazon. The second last product is Captcha 4K DisplayPort cable. The 6.6 feet DisplayPort to DisplayPort cable supports video resolutions up to 4K, 2K and transmits HD audio and video from computer to display, ideal for video streaming, gaming, or extending a workstation. The 4K DisplayPort cable unparalleled transmission stability molding in one technology effectively prevents cracking. The uncompressed digital audio channels at 7.1, 5.1 and 2-channel audio formats. Multiple shielding, 24K gold-plated connectors, 28 AWG tin copper, plug-and-play, reliable interference-free data transmission provide both superior cable performance and reliable connectivity. Under mirror mode, you can enjoy the movies or play games on HD TV which displays the same content as your computer desktop, and under extended mode, each display simply gives you more desktop room and they're separate. This 4K DisplayPort cable is available on Amazon and on the last we listed Benfi 4K DisplayPort cable. This 10 feet 4K DisplayPort cable is good for video streaming or gaming. The refresh rate reduces flicker to give you a really comfortable gaming experience, and it also supports DP, DP++, and DisplayPort++. The DP to DP 1.2 cable supports refresh rate up to 165 Hz under 2K resolution, and UHD 4K at 60 Hz streaming allows you to configure your 4K monitor for an extended desktop or mirrored displays. The quality nylon braided jacket with 15,000 plus band lifespan provides you with a heavy-duty DisplayPort to DisplayPort cable. The 24K gold-plated connectors won't tarnish or decrease conductivity over time. A 28 AWG tin copper wire ensures uninterrupted transmission. The premium aluminum shell effectively maximizes heat dissipation. Just connect the DisplayPort-compatible PC or laptop to a monitor or projector with DisplayPort for crystal-clear audio and high-definition video. This 4K DisplayPort cable is available on Amazon. These 5 are the best 4K DisplayPort cables. You can choose any one you like. For more information about all the products, check the links in the description box. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. We hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.